How to preparation MH CET MBA MMS in few days. 1. Start your preparation early. Start your preparation for MH CET as early as possible to cover the entire syllabus and to get sufficient time for revisions. 2. Know the exam pattern. Get familiar with the exam pattern and syllabus of MH CET. This will help you in understanding the question paper and the type of questions asked. 3. Understand the important topics. Make a list of important topics and concepts that carry more weightage in the exam. Focus on these topics to score well. 4. Take mock tests. Take mock tests and practice papers regularly to understand the difficulty level of the exam and to improve your score. 5. Stay updated. Keep yourself updated with the latest exam pattern and syllabus of MH CET. 6. Revise regularly. Give sufficient time for revision after completing the syllabus. This will help you in remembering the concepts and topics for a longer time. Best of luck to all students for CET exam.